Hello, Colorado. It's attorney Timothy Dudley at Johnson Law Group, and it is back to school season. Often that raises questions if you have children and custody orders. So let's cover 3 questions that often come up. The first question for back to school time is sometimes your child's school schedule changes. Does that affect the schedule for parenting time with either of the parents? Sometimes it does. Ideally, courts want the parents to try to work that out themselves and figure out how they might need to adjust their time with the child based on the child's new school schedule. Sometimes the parents aren't able to work that out on their own, and so we often help them set up mediation and work those issues out with the help of a good mediator. A second question that often comes up around back to school season is, does child support cover school expenses? Usually the answer to that question is no, unless you have a court order that says otherwise. But normally child support doesn't cover those child expenses, and so parents are often expected to share those costs either equally or proportionate to the ratio of their incomes. And a third common question that arises at back to school time is, how do the parents decide about after school activities for the child? Because often those activities could fall on the other parent's time with the child. This issue is usually addressed in your court order, so you'd want to review and follow those. But if that's not spelled out in your orders, a court would expect that the parents communicate and try to decide together what to do and be respectful of each other's time with the child. But more than anything, the courts want the parents to put the child's best interests first, even if that requires that the parents need to sacrifice some time or effort to make sure the child is enjoying the benefit of after-school activities. So for any of your questions about back-to-school time and other school-related issues, schedule a free consultation today with Johnson Law Group.
Divorce ends marriages, not families. Call us at 720-445-4444 or visit our website at johnsonlgroup.com.